We are still inside the marina. That's why our speed is slow. Later, when we exit the marina, you will see how powerful the engine of this yacht is. There's the green lighthouse. This is the exit of the Marina Yacht Club. Ahead is open because that area is part of Manila Bay. So this yacht should be driven slowly. You will see that the sea water is bubbling due to the power of the yacht's propeller. The yacht is slowly being steered. The seawater is already reaching the boarding platform. I am now positioned at the stern of the yacht, but I will leave this spot soon because I might fall off due to the speed of the run. You see, right? The force of the engine is very powerful. This is the force of 2 engines, and each engine has 1050 horsepower, and its RPM is only 1700. Later, when the path we will take is clear, it will go at full speed. It's time to move positions or I might go overboard. Let's go up. Oh my, what amazing speed. Extremely powerful. We are not in Hong Kong. We are not in Dubai. We are just here in Manila Bay.